So here's the first full length panel coming out of the machine. And you can see here that coil goes to the machine.
Yep.
Is the 18-inch panel. With striations. People say, well, what are striations? Well, that's the indentations in the panel, which you can see here. Usually on a bigger area. In most cases, we're going to run panels with striations. Prevents oil canning. Which, for those of you that don't know what oil canning is, it's kind of a wavy look. And mostly you see that with a lighter gauge of metal, like 26 gauge metal. This is 24 gauge metal. So by having the machine, we're able to eliminate the possibility of a third-party fabricator getting something wrong. We maintain control over what we produce. So if there's an anomaly at the job site that requires a different length, then we can make the adjustment.